BMus in performance and recording is aimed at the modern musician looking to go into industry.
So this course is aimed at people starting off in the industry, so they could be coming from A-levels in school. It also aims at people who perhaps want to improve their music skills, but also could have been working in the industry for a while and have never done any higher education, but would like to go back and get a portfolio of their own material together by the end of the course.
So we're affiliated with the University of West London, means that you can study in Cardiff while also graduating from the University of West London. So the music industry is constantly changing. It's vital for musicians nowadays to understand how to produce and record their own work as a self-releasing musician.
Some of the things you're going to learn on the course are going to be songwriting and arranging, so really going into your songwriting skills, understanding about song form and how that works, and really developing your style as a songwriter. You're also going to learn how to use the studio.
Over the 3 years that you study with us, we'll be developing your skills as an artist, and in the third year you get to put all those skills together to create your own EP. So you write and produce and record and mix and master your own portfolio piece.
Studying with us is really unique in that it's the only place in Wales where you're going to get independent music tuition on your instrument, whether that be guitar, bass, drums, keyboards or vocals. This is very important and will lead you into a career, performance, recording, songwriting or many other areas that we look at on the course. After completing the course, some of our students have completed their masters. Some students have gone directly into industry, working as producers or performers. We have students who have done work placements in Rockfield studios and then gone on to actually work there professionally. One of our ex-students is currently one of the main engineers at Rockfield. Also, we have students who are out performing, have original bands who are now signed. So, you know, there are some really strong success stories coming from this course.
So the industry nowadays is vast, and it's really important as a modern musician that you understand the business side of the industry as well as the performance and recording side.
This course is an excellent opportunity for you to gain mentorship with industry professionals who are already working within the industry.